When you run an auto shop, you need every advantage to find new customers and grow your business. That's why you'll need digital marketing. Castrol is here to support your business with a series of online marketing strategies and tips. We'll make it easy so your shop will improve its online marketing plan with tips that can help boost your sales. Here are some important areas we'll cover. Did you know that 76% of shop visits start with a Google search? We'll guide you on how to create an online presence that will help customers find your shop. Once they find you, you'll need a modern website that shows you're a credible business. We'll show you easy ways to build and manage an effective website. Once customers can find you, you'll be ready to expand your footprint and drive up car counts. You'll learn cost-effective ways to target prospects using social media, pay-per-click advertising, and search engine optimization. Marketing tools can even help you improve loyalty, increase average tickets, and maximize revenue from your existing customers. We'll explore how you can engage with them in a more personal way using CRM software and email. Be sure to subscribe to our Castrol Insider program or our YouTube channel to get the latest in this series.